In this video, you're going to learn how to set up an app install ad on Google AdWords. So once inside your AdWords account, you want to come down to the Campaigns tab and then click on Add and add a new campaign. Then you want to select the campaign type, and we want to come right across to the right hand side here and click on Universal App so we can drive app installs across Google's networks. Then we need to select the mobile ad platform. So for this example, we'll just select Android, and then you want to look up your app. So we can just type in the name of the app here, or just select one if you have one on your accounts, and then go ahead and click continue. Now you need to go ahead and put in your campaign name. And then once you come down here in this section, you're going to put in the copywriting that's going to appear on your ad. And right now we can see a preview of what it's going to look like on the right hand side here. So as you change the text, it'll be updated on the right hand side. And we can also see how this is going to appear on the different places in Google's network. So on Google search, we can see it looks like this. Then the display network, on YouTube, and then in the Google Play Store as well. Now coming down, we can select the locations where we want this app install ad to appear. We can select countries, different cities, etc. We can select different languages. So then here in campaign optimization, then we can focus on either getting install of apps or some in-app activity. And depending on the choices you will make here, it'll show you whether you're focusing on new installs or in-app activity. Now moving on down, we set our bids, and so we can put that bid in, and then our daily budget as well. And then we can set our campaign dates. And then once we're done, we can go ahead and click save and continue. Now the reason that I would recommend app install ads on Google AdWords is that you only pay when somebody actually goes ahead and installs your app.